If you are struggling with the GCash 4.4 problem and your app just refused to work, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you the quickest and easiest way to fix it. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechWash. Firstly, open the settings, scroll down and tap apps. Scroll down and find GCash apps. Tap for stop. Go to storage, tap clear cache and clear data. Now open Google Play Store. Search for GCash app. If you have update, then update it. Restart your device. And that's it. These are the fastest and most effective way to fix the GCash 4.4 problem. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.